In today's fast-paced retail market, time is a vital resource, and improving efficiency is critical for corporate success. Shopify POS recognizes the value of optimizing operations and provides a rich set of automation options that enable businesses to automate repetitive procedures and optimize their workflows. Automation in Shopify POS revolutionizes the way shops work, from inventory management to order processing and customer relations. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of automation in Shopify POS, demonstrating how it improves efficiency, production, and, ultimately, the bottom line. Inventory management has been simplified. Efficient inventory management is critical for merchants to maintain ideal stock levels, avoid stockouts, and limit overstock situations. The automation options in Shopify POS make inventory management easier by automating various operations. Retailers can set up automatic low stock alerts to get warnings when inventory levels fall below predefined criteria. This enables shops to take proactive actions to replace things before they run out, lowering the risk of missed sales opportunities and unsatisfied customers. Furthermore, automation in Shopify POS enables easy inventory syncing across numerous sales channels. Retailers can ensure that inventory levels are automatically updated and synchronized throughout their physical stores, online platforms, and marketplaces. This removes the need for manual inventory adjustments and decreases the possibility of overselling or stock inconsistencies. Order processing has been simplified. Processing orders efficiently is crucial for ensuring a consistent customer experience and eliminating delays. Shopify POS's automation tools improve order processing by automating numerous processes along the fulfillment process. For example, order confirmation emails can be immediately sent to clients as soon as an order is placed, keeping them informed and reassured about their purchase. Additionally, shipping labels can be generated automatically, saving retailers time and effort while preparing shipments. Automation also streamlines the fulfillment process by interfacing with third-party logistics providers or in-house fulfillment centers. Retailers can configure rules and triggers to automatically route orders to specific fulfillment centers based on parameters such as location or product availability. This simplifies the order routing process and assures fast order fulfillment. Personalized customer communications. Effective customer communication is critical for developing strong relationships and increasing client loyalty. The automation features in Shopify POS allow retailers to automate tailored customer conversations, assuring consistent and timely engagements. Automated email marketing campaigns can be built to engage clients at various points of the customer journey. Retailers, for example, can set up automated welcome emails for new customers, abandoned cart recovery emails to re-engage potential consumers, and post-purchase follow-up emails to gather feedback and encourage repeat purchases. Furthermore, automation enables merchants to segment their consumer base and send tailored marketing. Using client data and purchase history, companies can send personalized recommendations, unique deals, or birthday greetings to specific consumer segments. This level of personalization boosts customer engagement, builds loyalty, and encourages repeat purchases. Reporting and analytics. Automation in Shopify POS extends beyond operational efficiency. It also provides retailers with useful insights through complete reporting and analytics. Retailers can generate automated reports that provide a comprehensive perspective of critical performance data such as sales trends, inventory turnover, and consumer behavior. Retailers may save time and obtain timely access to vital data by automating the creation and delivery of these reports. These data enable retailers to make informed decisions, discover areas for improvement, and optimize their strategy for optimal profitability.